Hello friend, today I'll show you how to set up TikTok pixel in WordPress website. So let's start. First you must have a TikTok ads manager account. So then you click the tools and then web event. Then then after then set up web event. Then click manual setup. Then next, then pixel name. So I will keep the website name as the pixel name. Okay. And so next, then and please friend subscribe my YouTube channel and also follow my Facebook page, and you can join my Facebook group. And if you have any question, please comment below in this video. I will reply. Okay, the next, then custom code, the next, advanced machine, then view the custom code. I'm sorry for the background noise. Then I will copy this code and I will put the codes in the header, between the header. Okay, so add this code between the tag of every page in our website. So copy this code and go to your WordPress website. Then you have to came this is Roman Portuguese website, so click here the preference, then theme editors. Okay, theme editors, then click here header.php, then found the head. This is the head, beginning head, so I'll paste here. Okay, then save it. Okay, then save it. Okay, okay, then save it, then go to your pixel and finish it. And friend, one more thing, you have to install TikTok pixel helper on your Google Chrome browser. Then see the TikTok pixel helper are not firing. So when I came this website, this code are firing here. So can you see that for? So now we have to set up the event. Okay, then I will go to the setting and I will show the set event setup the next video. Thank you for today. And please subscribe my YouTube channel, and if you have any question, please comment below. I will reply. Thank you. Have a good day.